I apologize if I constantly sniffle or go like that. My allergies are still kicking my ass. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today I wanted to do a huge collective shoe haul with you guys because during quarantine I have purchased many things that I probably shouldn't have, and I've really gotten into shoes within the last few months. So I wanted to show you the shoes that I did end up getting. This is going to be a try on haul. I wanted to go through and show you the shoes and try them on and show you what I've got, because this is within like 4 months of quarantine that I bought these, so yeah. I need to stop shopping. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description. If you'd like to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my Instagram because it's so much fun for me, and I do polls, IGTV, reels. Did I say polls? I meant posts, like pictures. I do polls too in my stories, but it's a very fun time over there. But yeah, if you do follow me, I really appreciate it in advance. But let's get into the first pair of shoes. So the first pair of shoes that I did end up getting, these are the ones that sparked my obsession with shoes. And I've wanted these for so long. I have wanted a pair of these for literally since I was in high school. I just never got any. I don't know why, but I'm so happy that I have them now. I have a pair of dog Martens. Oh my goodness, I love them literally so much. These are probably like my most, I sounded very Australian just then. These are probably my most worn shoe right now. I am just in love with them, and they are so fall time and they look so good, and I'm obsessed. I went with the more like I didn't go with the smooth leather because I tried 2 pairs on. I tried these on and the ones with the smooth leather on at the store, and the smooth leather ones were actually really stiff. I know you have to break them in, but they were very stiff and a little bit more uncomfortable, but I really just fell in love with those. I believe these ones are like the Pascal, like 1480 or something like that. I'll have everything linked in the description. But yeah, these are not the Jaden ones. These are like Pascal, something like that. But I'm obsessed with these and I love them to literal bits. A lot of these are going to be very familiar because, well, not familiar, but a lot of them are boots. The majority of them are boots because we're getting into, well, we are into fall technically now, but a lot of these are boots because I've just been so into boots. I got these from Nasty Gal. These are just some basic white boots. I got them to actually go with an outfit, but I think that they're going to look really, really cute on their own as well. They're just basic white boots. I think they were like 20 bucks. They're not like the best quality or anything, but they're not uncomfortable. So I do like them. I think they're nice and I'm into it. Yeah, I'm just glad they're not uncomfortable because that was one thing that I was really afraid of. Let me go ahead and show you the only pair of shoes that are not boots in this video, because I actually saw these on Carrie Dayton's channel. She did a autumn like fall haul that she got, and she showed off these Vans, and I saw them and I literally had to buy them because they were the cutest thing. Oh my god. These are Vans. These are, I think they're called old school Vans or something, but they're in the shade Picante and they are just perfect. They're the perfect color for fall. I'm obsessed with them. I have worn them a couple times. You do have to break them in, but they're just so cute. Once you get them broke in, you can walk forever in Vans. I have another pair of Vans. I didn't include them in this video because I got them a long time ago. I got them like in the very beginning of quarantine, like March or something like that. And I think I've already showed them in a video, but these, I love them. I am obsessed with them. I love them. They're so cute and they're like a rust color. I'm so into it. I love that color right now. This one's kind of more of like a mustard color, but I'm just so into this color. as of late, so love these. Back to boots. Now these I actually got on Poshmark, and I kind of actually regret getting these because they're really uncomfortable. They're very cute. They are literally adorable, and I'm obsessed with them. These are actually by Luca and Grae. These are the cutest little blush booties, and I love them to pieces, but you guys, these are so uncomfortable. Like, I don't see how anyone walks in these. And it's not even the fact that they don't look uncomfortable, but they are. And I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, this is not higher or lower than this. They're the exact same length. So like, I feel like it's really hard to walk in. I don't know. Does that make any sense? Probably not, but it's extremely hard to walk in. They're very uncomfortable, and I kind of regret getting these, but they weren't super expensive. They were on Poshmark secondhand, so they were like $28 or something like that. No, not super expensive, but I could definitely see me wearing these for a couple of hours, maybe to like a date night or somewhere fancy, but you cannot wear those for a long period of time. Next up, I got some other ones from Poshmark, and these I love to pieces from Poshmark. These are by the brand Vagabond, and these are amazing. These have a bit of a heel to them, not a lot, but just a little bit, and these are the cutest little booties. Oh my goodness, they're black, they're lace up, and they just look so cute on. I kind of feel like a witch every time I wear these boots, but they just look adorable, and I'm obsessed with them, and I want to wear them everywhere. I actually may wear them tonight. I have somewhere to go with my mom, so I may actually wear these tonight with this top. It'd be really cute. It'd be a look. Yeah, I'm really into it. These are so cute, and yeah, I think they just really elevate any kind of look that you're going for, so I'm super into these. I've got two more pair to show you. I think this video is going to be pretty short just because I'm kind of just going through and talking about each of my shoes, and I'm showing you each like little clips because it is a try on haul. But these I got from Asos, and I am so in love with these. These do not look comfortable. These are so comfortable. Again, the rust color is where it's at for me right now. These are everything to me, and these were actually not crazy expensive. Like, I thought these were gonna be like $100. These were like, I mean, I think they were 58. 58 is still not cheap, but like, I thought they were going to be way more than that, but these are so cute, and they match so many things, and they are so funky, and I'm obsessed with these. I think they look so cool, and they also have them in black as well. So if you don't like this color, they do have them in black, and I'm really into them. I love them so much. I love these. They're really cool. And they're super duper comfortable. So comfortable. I would recommend wearing socks with them though, because the first time I did wear them, I didn't wear socks, and it did rub my pinky toe raw just a little bit. The last time I did wear them, I wore socks and they were totally fine. I've got one more pair to show you guys. These are like my second favorite that I have. My Doc Martens are my favorite, but I wanted to end on a really good note. These are like my second favorite. The ones I just showed you, the Asos ones and the Vagabond ones, are like in tied for third place, but this pair right here is my second favorite pair that I've bought, and these are from Madewell. These are the Patty, P-A-T-T-I, the Patty lace-up boots, and these are in the shade like English sandal or something like that. It's the brown shade. They're brown. They really remind me of like horse-riding boots, but like cut in half. Like, horse-riding boots are pretty tall. These ones remind me of that, but like actual booties, and these are so nice. They are such good quality, and they are so comfortable, and I think that they are literally adorable. The only issue I have with these is that the ties are quite stiff, so I have to double tie the laces in a knot for them to not unravel, or else they'll unravel. But other than that, I love these so much. These are like my second favorite pair of shoes that I own, and I wear them all the time. I'm so obsessed with these, and I think Madewell is still, I got these on sale. So these are probably the most expensive shoes out of this haul, but on Madewell, if you're a Madewell Insider, which all you have to do is just sign up for their email list to be an insider, you get 20% off. So that's what they had available when I ordered these. So I did get them 20% off, which was a huge steal. So that's really nice. So, but yeah, you guys, that has been my collective shoe haul over the past like 4 or 5 months. I'm obsessed with these and I can't wait to wear them more often, and I love them to pieces. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you have been getting some stuff through quarantine, please let me know what you've been getting. If you've gotten any shoes, let me know what you've gotten as well, because of course I love to know things and I love to try new things too. So yeah, I'd love to know that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!